student. Today I will discuss presentation of data, especially tabular presentation. You know there are different stages of statistics. First is collection, next is organization, next is presentation, and next is analysis of data. The most important part, which is how can you present the data in various forms, either in terms of tables, or in terms of graphs or diagrams, or in terms of text. And the presentation of data is widely used in analyzing the data by using various statistical techniques like mean, median, mode. Not only you are using statistical techniques, but also you are using the presented data in various forms. Here the topic is tabular presentation. Tabular means in terms of tables. This table is known as, that is, statistical table. What about statistical table? Statistical table means, that is, arrangement of data in rows and columns. Rows and columns. That means here these are one column. Here district, infected, recovered, dead, active. These are the 5 columns, and rows are here district Ganjam, Jajpur, and so on. If you present the data orderly in rows and columns, then it is known as tabular presentation. The most important part is that what are the parts of a table? Parts of a table means, see here, first is table number. First is table number. Here written as a 4.1. 4 means chapter 4 and table number 1. Next is what? Title. That is title of the table. Here district wise corona cases in Odisha, top 5 districts. These are known as title of the table. And next is units of measurement. Units of measurement. Next is, that is, 4 is caption. Caption means column heading. That is district, infected, recover, and so on. Caption. This is known as column heading. 5th is, that is, Ganjam 710071. This is one of the row, and the heading is Ganjam. Here, this is known as stop. STUB. Next is the body of the table. The data shown here in quantitatively, that is 71, 55, 50, 27, 24, and so on. All the data in this form, this is known as the body of the table. Here, this is the entire data represented in terms of table, that is known as body of the table. Body of the table. Next is 7 is source. Source means Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Odisha. Here, this is known as source, from where the data is collected. Next is footnote. Footnote. Here, as on, that is 8th May 2020 by 7 PM, the data is collected and this note is given here. Therefore, in a statistical table, we have 8 parts. These 8 parts. Next is, you know, the classification. Classification uses different tables on the basis of what? That is, classification used in different tables is of 4 types. That is, one is quantitative, Quantitative means this is quantitative classification which uses, that is quantitative classification or quantitative table, that is quantitative data is given in terms of age, height and so on. Second is qualitative classification, that is in terms of social status, gender, male, female and so on. Third is temporal, according to time. This is according to time. Time means your hours, weeks, days, weekly, years and so on. This is known as temporal class. Fourth is spatial classification, on the basis of location or geographical location, that is your country, cities, region, one region like district. This is spatial classification. This classification used widely while tabulation of the data. Next is, that is, what are the types of tables? Types of the tables. Types. You know, types is on the basis of objectives. On the basis of objectives, that is, here is one is general, another is specific. General means this is known as reference table, and here is, this is summary table. Summary table. Next is on the basis of the nature of inquiry. Nature of inquiry. On the basis of nature of inquiry, then there are also two types of data or tables. One is your primary. This is original. And next is, that is derived, or that is derivative. It is in terms of percentage. And the last type is, that is on the basis of coverages. On the basis of coverages, one is simple, another is complex. This type of data is used in terms of table. That means in this section you will find out the question, that is, what is the statistical table? How you can present data in terms of a table? What are the parts of the table? Next is how tables or classification is used in tables on the basis of qualitative, quantitative, spatial, temporal, and what are the likely types of tables. The details of the table can be explained in the next class. Thank you all.